Alright, so now I'm going to go and show you how to find these lesser known drop shipping stores. So there's two different ways to find these drop shipping stores, and they're sort of connected, but let's go into my Facebook, right? So one way of finding the stores is going into Facebook and having a look and searching those products, and then looking at which video has the most views, like the one before, and then looking at that store, right? So if we click this, usually stores that have lots of views like this will be stores that know what they're doing, right? So I just go and open some of these, right, in a new tab, okay? So let's go into that process that I showed you before, and that's, let's see if this store knows what it's doing. So I want to go apps first. So let's see if they have any. Yep, so they got Trackify, so they know what they're doing. Are they launching products continuously? Let's have a look. Yep, they're launching products continuously. Okay, so what I'm going to show you now, got some nice images down here. So what I want to show you now, so I want to go to their Facebook page if they have one. Doesn't look like they have a Facebook page. Oh yeah, they do, up here. So I want to go to their Facebook page, right? And right, I've got two separate Facebook accounts. I have one Facebook account which I use for business, and I'm an admin of the ecom ladder on, and then I also have my personal Facebook profile, which is a separate account. So right now I'm on my my business Facebook profile, my ecom ladder profile. So on this profile, right, what I do is I make Facebook think that I'm an avid online shopper and I love to go shopping, and I love looking at like drop shipping stores, right? So I'm on this Facebook page of a store that knows what it's doing, and I'm going to go and like the store, right? And what happens then is down here you get suggestions of similar stores to this. So I'm going to open a few similar stores up in another tab, right? So these are all just like other drop shipping stores that are similar to this store, right? So most of them, and smoke like Viral Egg, that's another store. So I just want to try and get some general e-commerce stores here. I don't really want to go to these niche pages like Marijuana Master and stuff, because these are other niche pages that some other stores are promoting from. But I'm just trying to find the general stores. So you want to find general stores from this, right? So look at this. We've got we just got to make sure that these are e-com stores. It looks like they are. And what you want to do now, so this is basically how you find other big e-com stores, right? So you want to find stores that at least 20,000 people are liking, right? So this store, I mean, if 20,000 people like a dropshipping store, it's likely that the store knows what it's doing, because in order to get 20,000 likes, you have to be promoting on Facebook, and you have to be generating lots of engagement and lots of clicks to your site and likes, right? So let's just have a look at this site. So we're going to go into Commerce Inspector. We're going to make sure that the site knows what it's doing by looking at the apps and the products that it's launching. This stupid pop-up. This happens sometime with the pop-up. So looks like they're launching products consistently, which is good. Go to apps. And they're using Trackify as well, so they know how to do their Facebook advertising, right? So this store knows what it's doing. So now, right, what we start to do is we want to like this page, and we can also go to videos down here and see some of the stuff that they've been posting recently, which is also a great product research tool as well, right? So you can also find new products this way. But let's go to, so what happens now, let's like this page, right? And now look at this, we've got a bunch of other general stores to snoop on, right? So this is how you build a big list of general drop shipping stores, right? This is how you find a big general list of drop shipping stores that no one else really knows about, right? I doubt many people know about Zooty. Yeah, I've never heard of it. So I mean, like, look at all these other stores we've got here now, right? So we've got plenty of these stores like Viral Egg. We've got plenty of these stores that we can put in our inventory of stores to go and get products from, right? So that is how you go out there and you find these unknown or lesser known drop shipping stores, right? It's simple. You just like it, then look, we have all these other stores down here. So it's just a continual process of doing that and going on there and seeing which which stores know what they're doing, and then finding products on those stores, right? From the recently launched list. Yeah. So another thing that I always do, right, is that if I ever see an ad in my feed, I'll always click on it and I'll always go and add the product to cart, whatever it is, right? So let me go in my home. Because I'm liking lots of dropshipping stores on this account, what Facebook does is it starts to think that I, love like dropshipping stores and I love buying from dropshipping stores. So I'll start to get ads on my feed about dropshipping stores. And if I ever see an ad on my feed, I'll always click on the link and add it to cart, because I want to trick Facebook that I really love shopping and stuff, right? So I've got an extension up here which I'll put in the notes. I actually haven't put it in, but it's called Turbo Ad Finder, right? And it's a Chrome extension that's, when you turn it on and I refresh this, when I turn it on, it will now only show me ads in my feed, right? So I don't have to continuously scroll to find them, right? So this is loading now. See, look at this. I've got an ad here, right? If I scroll down further, I've got another ad. So now what I'll do, right, I'll go and open these ads. So these will all be trending products. So I'll keep scrolling down, right, and I'll start to add these products to my cart, right? So now I'm tricking Facebook into thinking that I'm the kind of person who will go out there and buy these dropshipping products, and Facebook will start to serve me more and more recent ads. So this is also another great way to do your product research. So yeah, this slide just summarizes what I've just went through, right? So create a fake Facebook account in your name. So this shouldn't be fake. This should be create a second Facebook account in your name, because you don't have to create a fake Facebook account. Facebook will let you have duplicate accounts, because lots of people use Facebook for business and for personal. So you can create a second Facebook account with exactly the same name, and you can have your profile picture, but you just need a different email address in it. So you can either do that, or if you don't care, you can just use your own Facebook profile. And I'd probably it's probably like an easier way to do it. You can just go and like dropshipping stores in your own personal profile. But if you don't want other people seeing that you're liking all this stuff, you can create a new one. So when you create a new Facebook profile, set your location to the USA, just because that a lot of people will test products. They'll start off testing in the USA. So you want to be obviously located in a country where people are testing products. So the third is go to big dropshipping stores and adding products to cart to make Facebook think you like dropshipping stores. Then also start liking dropshipping FB pages I showed you before, and also install the Turbo Ad Finder Chrome extension. So I showed you that before, as the Chrome extension. And then turn on the Ad Finder Chrome extension, then scroll through your feed. There'll be plenty of ads there that are coming from big dropshipping stores.